So right behind the trees over there is where we used to play softball, and there's no longer any grasses. Well, some grass, but they've made it parking, overflow parking. So that's the road out of the campground, and the road in is way over there. So we have to come in, make a left, another left to get into our spot, and we're spot number 15. That's 14 right there, and we've got to pull through right here. All right. So I'll try and walk up the hill carefully. So actually it's a nice spot because all your activities on the other side, away from anybody who's around you, kinda. So there's the hookups. We haven't hooked up the sewer yet. We don't need to until it's full. So let's go around. So here's where we would pull in. All right. So of course you got your picnic table, but it's been raining so much that you can't use it. We're gonna try and grill tonight. We'll see. And so Trixie stayed in the truck last night. She whined for hours. So I put her in the back seat of the truck. She was happy. Alright. And it's raining an awful lot in a day and a half. So, and the Wi-Fi up here is terrible. And actually Blairsville is not much better unless you get inside somewhere that has Wi-Fi. And even then it's not the best. But we'll try and post up a couple more videos. So here's the people around us. They have a Winnebago Mini where that red truck is. And then there's a gap until that spot's empty right straight ahead. Then there's a big fifth wheel up there. And there's other people out in various places out in the woods here. But anyway, that's where we are. And hopefully the rain is going to stop tomorrow. But we'll see. All right. See you next time.